In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the mature filter on Crunchyroll. The mature filter is a setting that restricts access to certain content that may contain explicit or adult material. By default, this filter is enabled to ensure a safer viewing experience for younger users. However, if you are an adult and feel comfortable exploring mature content, you can easily disable this filter. To get started, open up the Crunchyroll app and then make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then scroll down to the bottom. Now under the App Experience section, you will see an option called Show Mature Content. So to turn off the mature filter on Crunchyroll, simply toggle on this switch over here. And now you can watch mature content on Crunchyroll. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.